Your microwave flashes, makes a sharp crack, and suddenly you're wondering if it's about to catch fire. Don't ignore it, but don't assume the microwave is finished either. Where that spark appeared can tell you a lot about what's actually wrong. First, stop the microwave immediately. If the sparking was inside and the plug and outlet look completely normal, unplug it by gripping the plug, never the cord. But if the outlet or plug is sparking, smoking, unusually hot, or visibly damaged, don't grab it. Shut off power at the breaker if you can do so safely. Now, locate the spark. Was it inside the cooking cavity while the microwave was running? Or outside, around the cord, plug, or wall outlet? That's the first real diagnostic split, because the causes are very different. If the spark was inside, start with the obvious suspect. Metal. A twist tie, foil, metal utensil, take-out container staple, or even metallic trim on a plate can cause arcing. Sharp edges and metal, positioned close to the cavity wall, are especially troublesome. Remove the object before using the microwave again. If there's no stray metal, look at the small panel on the side wall or ceiling. On many microwaves, that's the Waveguide cover, often made from mica. It protects the opening that carries microwave energy into the cavity. Grease, food residue, carbon buildup, or damage around this area can lead to repeated arcing. Don't stop at the cover. Look at the ceiling, walls, seams, and the area around the microwave inlet. Food and grease buildup can contribute to arcing, especially after residue has been heated repeatedly. Keeping the cavity clean isn't cosmetic. It helps prevent this problem. Now inspect the cavity itself. A tiny cosmetic chip doesn't automatically mean the microwave is unsafe. What matters more is serious damage, blackened or deeply burned areas, active peeling, pitting, or especially a hole in the cavity wall. If you see damage like that, stop using the microwave and check the manufacturer's instructions or arrange service. Here's an easy mistake to avoid. Don't run an empty microwave just to see whether it still sparks. With nothing inside to absorb the microwave energy, the oven itself can be damaged. If the original problem was simply a forbidden metal object, remove it and follow the owner's manual before testing the appliance again. If the cavity is clean, you're using microwave-safe cookware, and it still arcs, stop there. The fault may be inside the appliance. Microwaves contain high-voltage components, including a capacitor that can retain a dangerous electrical charge even after the microwave has been unplugged. Do not remove the outer cover. What if the flash happened outside the microwave? Visible arcing at the plug or outlet deserves more caution. Repeated sparks, sizzling, a burning plastic smell, discoloration, heat, or a plug that fits loosely are all warning signs. Stop using that outlet until the cause has been checked. Inspect the microwave's cord and plug without opening the appliance. Cracked insulation, exposed wire, melted plastic, darkened prongs, or other visible damage means the microwave should stay unplugged. Don't wrap damaged wiring in tape and continue using it. The outlet matters too. A worn receptacle or loose electrical connection can arc under load. And don't power a microwave through an ordinary extension cord or a power strip unless the manufacturer specifically allows the setup. Many microwave manuals call for a properly grounded outlet and a circuit intended to handle the appliance. So here's the fast diagnosis. Metal inside? Remove it. Dirty cavity? Clean it according to the manual. Burned waveguide area or repeated sparking with microwave-safe cookware? Stop using the microwave and get it serviced. Damaged cord, hot plug, or sparking outlet? Keep it disconnected and have the electrical problem checked. Most microwave sparking problems leave clues you can actually see. Keep metal out unless your owner's manual specifically allows it, keep the cavity and waveguide area clean, and never ignore repeated arcing or electrical damage. Catch the cause early, and a frightening flash doesn't have to turn into a ruined microwave or a bigger electrical problem.